Hi there, friends. If you want to share your relationship status as single on Facebook, the process is simple and only takes a few minutes. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Once you are on the home screen, tap your profile icon to visit your profile page. From there, tap See Your About info. In some versions of the app, you may need to tap Edit Profile and then scroll down until you find the relationship section. Next, tap the Edit option next to Relationship Status. A list of available relationship options will appear. Select Single from the drop-down menu or list of choices. Before saving your changes, you can choose who is able to see your relationship status by using the audience selector. If you want everyone to see it, select Public Kids. If you only want your Facebook friends to view it, choose Friends. Selecting the appropriate privacy setting ensures your relationship status is shared with the audience you prefer. After confirming your selection, tap Save to update your profile. Facebook will immediately update your relationship status and it will appear in the About section of your profile. Depending on your settings, your friends may also see the update in their news feed. If you don't want the update to appear in their feeds, you can change the audience to Only Me before saving and then adjust it later if needed. Keeping your relationship status up to date helps ensure that your profile accurately reflects your current personal information. Whether you choose to make it public or keep it visible only to friends, Facebook gives you full control over your privacy. By following these simple steps, you can successfully change and share your single relationship status on Facebook in just a few taps.